So one of the things that you can work around with inside of Gemini are the extensions, which enhances the functionality of Google Gemini. So if I were to go around under settings right here, you can see that extensions is an option. So if I were to go around and click on extensions right here, then there's many different extensions that you can actually go around and then enable or disable, as you can see right here. For example, there's Google Flights right here, just like this. So in Google Flights, it says full in real-time flight info for intuitive personalized travel planning right here, just like this. So let's say, for example, I'm going to go around on to plan a visit right here, and you can see that it says show me flights to visit my aunt in Madrid on week. So this is the sample prompt right here, which I actually got right here. So I'm just going to go around and hit send right here, just like this. And then it says week of 22nd January, and now it got the information of flight to Madrid right here, just like this, as you can see right here. So now I'm going to go around and say, I'm going to go around and then let's say, for example, I'm going to say show me ticket prices right here, just like this. And then what happens is that it uses Google Flight plugin, as you can see right here, and then utilizes the price as well, just like this. So you can see that this is what you have right here. You get the flight details and all of the flight details right here, just like this. That is because of the extension right here, just like this. But if you were to go around and turn it off right here, then you don't get the flight details anymore. So I'm going to go around and say show me flight price from Yangon to Bangkok, let's say, for example, right here, just like this. So once I go around and do that, then it does not use that particular plugin right here, but uses the web instead. But if you were to go around and utilize this right here, Google Flights, then it'll utilize that particular plugin in order to find the prices for the particular flight details right here. So that is how you can go around and utilize Google Flights extension inside of Gemini. So if you guys learned something, as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.